In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom branding in ClickUp. Custom branding is an excellent way to make your workspace feel more professional and aligned with your company's identity. By adding your logo and personalizing the color scheme, you'll create a more cohesive experience for your team and clients. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with your team, or showcasing your workspace to others, custom branding helps make a lasting impression. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your preferred method. You can log in with your email and password, or choose a social login if you've set that up. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. After signing in, you may need to complete any extra security steps like two-factor authentication to access your homepage. Once you're on your ClickUp dashboard, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo or your initials displayed there. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can configure both your account settings and workspace settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar with various options. Scroll through it and look for the section labeled Workspace Settings. Once you find it, navigate to that section. Within Workspace Settings, scroll down and keep an eye out for the option called Custom Branding. If you don't see this feature available, it might be due to your workspace permissions or the plan you're currently on. Make sure to verify those details if needed. Once you locate the Custom Branding section, click into it. To enable the feature, you'll either toggle a switch or click the button provided on the screen. This will activate the custom branding tools. Now, it's time to upload your logo. Choose a clean, high-resolution image of your logo, preferably one with a transparent background. This ensures that it integrates seamlessly with the workspace design. After uploading, take a moment to review the logo preview. Make sure it appears sharp and not pixelated. If the quality doesn't look right, you may need to upload a higher resolution version of your logo. Next, adjust your workspace's color scheme to match your branding. You'll want to select a primary accent color that reflects your brand identity while also ensuring that the text remains easy to read. If a live preview is available, use it to see how your selected color will look across different parts of the workspace. Once you're satisfied with your logo and color choices, click Save or Update to confirm the changes. This step ensures that your custom branding settings are applied across the workspace. Finally, refresh your page or open the workspace in another browser tab to verify that your new logo and color scheme have been successfully applied. Take a moment to review how everything looks and ensure it aligns with your expectations. And that's it. You've now enabled custom branding in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.